Hi there, students. Cant, an uncountable noun, could also be a verb, and with some meanings canted as well as an adjective. Okay, this word cant has various different meanings. Let's see, firstly, I think cant, if you talk about a religious statement or a political statement, you're saying that the person who is saying this doesn't really believe what they're saying. This is the party line, but it's just cant because the person saying it doesn't believe it. So I think very often politicians are full of political cant or hypocritical cant. Yeah, they're paying lip service to the party line or what the party says, but they're just pretending to follow this. Yeah, they don't actually believe what they're saying. So this is sanctimonious, hypocritical, particularly when somebody's talking about moral issues, religious things, or political nature. So, yeah, she was giving me a load of moral cant about what I should and shouldn't do, but I see that she doesn't follow these ideas, so it's clearly just cant. Okay, so cant. Hypocritical talk, defending or saying something that you don't believe, particularly in moral, political, religious contexts. Cant can also be the slang, the jargon of a political, of a particular group. So this is criminal cant. I think when you're calling something cant, you're being a bit negative. You can't understand it and you don't like it. It's their particular jargon. So maybe mechanics use cant when your car's being repaired to jack up the bill. Yeah. So slang, jargon, argot, patois, some sort of vernacular, okay, is cant. Then another meaning of cant, at an angle, canted particularly. For example, if you see an indoor racetrack for cycling, it has a very steep angle. Yeah, it's canted, it's angled at a quite a steep cant. Yeah, so it's angled. Or for example, I've seen in auction descriptions a table with canted corners. The corners have been cut off, they're at an angle, so the corner doesn't go like that, it goes like that. It's been cut off, it's been truncated. Yeah, canted corners. The edge of a mirror can be beveled, put at an angle, canted. Yeah, so the glass has been canted. And I think those are the major meanings of cant. Okay, so at an angle, cant, something that you say but you don't believe in. Yeah, so Cant, a racist giving us cant about equality, yeah, which he doesn't believe in. Or cant, specialized vocabulary for the members of a group, particularly some sort of underworld group or criminal group. But more generally, yeah, that belonging to a particular profession. So yeah, I'm full of English teacher cant. Canted, at an angle. Yeah, inclined. Then a canted corner, cut off. I think you could probably also use cant to talk about this whining speech of a beggar. Oh, go on, give me some money. Go on, please, please, please. Yeah, this sort of whining talk as well, but I think that's probably a little bit more unusual. Yeah, so the beggar gave me a load of cant. So, cant, there are quite a few different meanings, but I think probably the most interesting one, pious platitudes, moral cant, somebody talking insincerely and hypocritical, particularly when they are giving the accepted party view, or the what the religion says that people are supposed to say, even if they don't believe it. Then slang or jargon, yeah, in a slanted or a tilted position, uh, cut off at the edge, oblique, beveled, yeah. So, what about origin? Okay, I think probably the different meanings have different origins. So, for example, I think the private language and this hypocritical talk comes from French chanter, to sing, from canto, Latin, to sing. Um, and then this edged corner, from Middle Dutch cant, a point or a side or an edge, um, related to the Latin word canthus, maybe acanthus, a corner or a side. Um, and well, I think that's probably it. So, formality, cant, political cant. I would give it, I think, a 5.5 in formality. Use anywhere. Thieves cant, again 5.5 in formality. Use anywhere. An angled road, a canted road, or a canted corner. These I think are more technical. I'd probably give 6.5 in formality. So I think more informally, maybe flattened corners or an angled road. Okay, so there you go. Cant. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cant.